Hey, everybody, it's Dr. Jacob Allen Spike, streaming live from Long Island, New York.
Hello.
Where the Wall Street was pretty good today.
It
Pretty good.
was. It was. It wasn't. Nothing to write home about.
Well, we made two all-time highs: the Dow and the S&P.
Really. Doesn't reflect. It doesn't reflect in any of my holdings.
The Nasdaq didn't.
Amazon still stinks.
Nasdaq didn't. Mag 7 laggards.
The Magalaga.
Yep. Let's get to the charts.
Sounds good.
I'll let Kamal you do.
I want to watch.
Let Spike do it.
Well, then I'm gonna have to get on. I wasn't expecting that.
Not up to it today.
Okay, not a problem. What are we starting with? We start with Bitcoin.
But why not?
All right. So let me actually share my screen so you can see it.
I bought one stock today, and that was
You did?
I bought an ETHV.
Oh, some more Ethereum.
Yeah, I added.
It's actually not a bad idea. I'm looking at when I play ETHE, and that's around 25. It's doing all right. I think I got out at 35. All right, so this is, I don't know what this is. This is Bitcoin, but let me do the 6 month on the Bitcoin. Yeah.
The big news today are two new all-time highs.
Which one? The Dow is an all-time high, 47. Is that what that star means?
Dow and S&P.
They all have stars.
Broadcom had good earnings.
All right, here we go. Finally getting a little action here on this chart business. This is the daily, so let's go to 3 months. There we go. All right. There's your Bitcoin for you. So what are we thinking about this?
I'm thinking we made the turn already.
You think what?
I think we made the turn.
Oh, this is the bottom here. Well,
Yeah.
we certainly got low bottoms, lower lows.
I think Ethereum and Bitcoin both.
Yeah, this is going back up. Your nice little step pattern.
Nice little trend line forming.
Yep.
So I'm bullish with Bitcoin. I'm also bullish Ethereum, and
Let's take a look
also
at
bullish Solana, and XRP.
What about the Melania coin? You're bullish on that one?
But I'm bullish on Trump and Melania, but not on the coin.
Gotcha. I hope those two crazy kids make it work. Yeah, this is looking great, isn't it? This is Ethereum.
Yeah, I definitely think you made the turn. Found a little resistance today.
Well, yeah, it's remember every new floor is an old ceiling, and every old ceiling is a new floor.
Yeah, well, I found it at the moving average.
So yeah, probably languish here for a couple of days and then pop again.
I think by the end of the year, 3 weeks. What is that? 3 weeks?
Yeah, it's the 10th.
I think you'll see Bitcoin quite possibly above 100.
Sounds good.
And if you do, then you'll see Ethereum with a comparable move.
Let's look at Ethereum.
Maybe maybe as high as 3,900.
Okay. Certainly, right there is a nice spot for it. Yeah, right around here. Yeah. Not an unreasonable point of view, I believe. I
The only thing I bought this week was, well, I bought today, I bought ETHV.
uh
During the week, I don't think I did much buying. I didn't do any selling. I don't think I did much buying.
I didn't either. This was like I said, this was a dead week. Just the week where you roll and take whatever they give you.
They gave us a little.
What is Amazon? Let me cut this down to.
Amazon's a good buy.
I'd say. Let me see. I'm told there's no bad time to buy Amazon.
True.
But I don't
I heard that somewhere too.
Let's delete that because that's totally meaningless. Well, I guess we had more than a gap fill there. But I guess we could talk about filling the gap back up in here.
I think this too made a bottom and just did a little zigzag. It's on its way up, back up.
Have you guys been looking at Microsoft at all?
That's my least favorite. I have the smallest amount.
Yeah. Sort of has a very similar picture. See, it's sort of doldrums. But this one looks a little more scattershot in terms of its turnaround.
Yeah, I'm not in love with Microsoft.
I can understand why. This doesn't have that same buy me message that Amazon's giving.
My favorites are Amazon, Google, Tesla, of course.
Yeah, Tesla. Well, Tesla did a little bit of a give back, but we could take a look at Tesla after Google. Actually, Google's like, where have you been? Where have you been?
It's just normal trading range.
Interesting.
It'll still be 500 by the end of the year.
It'll still be 500 by the end of the year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. From your mouth to God's ear.
What did it close at?
Oh, sorry. Let me go back.
447.
Google. Yeah, let's go. This is Alphabet. Closed at. Oh, what happened there now? See,
Are you looking for Tesla or Alphabet?
He's looking for Google.
Google.
There you go. 313.70.
Well, it's quite a give back. Quite a give back. Is that right?
This is Google.
This is the chart? What was the high? 330?
Yes.
I meant Tesla will be 500.
Oh, okay. I was wondering. All right. So
This one is one of my favorites, Max 7.
You don't think it's going to fill this gap here?
I think it's going to be probably by the end of the year 400. By the end of 26.
You heard that?
We should look at our picks from last year.
We should. We should dedicate some of an upcoming show to that.
Well,
Except I don't want to talk about a lot of the ones I picked. Although I think I picked some decent ones. They were good ones to invest. They weren't good ones to speculate. So this is Tesla.
Haven't looked at the website in a long time. I don't think it's right.
So this is Tesla. Tesla is coming back also.
Tesla has a chance of going up to close to 500.
Well, the trend is there for it.
Yeah.
Just has to get some good PR.
All it needs is any catalyst.
Right.
You know, like if they removed the mandatory driver in Austin, so the car goes by itself, like Waymo.
Uh-huh. I
That'll
was,
give
I was thinking more like somebody said something nice about his battery play, or his robots.
that too.
Because right now he's not spinning off the robots yet. It's still part of Tesla.
Yeah. He's not going to. It's
Yeah, he
part
shouldn't.
of his pay, part of his salary. What do you call it? Compensation plan.
Oh, right. For that, he's not going to get that 1 billion or 1 trillion, whatever it is.
$1 trillion.
Yeah. You got to get those letters right. 1 trillion.
That's crazy, man. A trillion. I mean, can you imagine?
Dollars.
You want to shot the core weaver for the gift?
CRWV.
Yeah. I didn't take the plunge with that one. It has a lot of business lined up, but it's also heavy debt.
That's an interesting picture.
A little bit risky. The gift thinks it could. How about a Kamal gap fill? You see this red candle?
This one right here.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, but go up. I think it matches that black line that you have.
Yeah.
That gap fill. If you go down, goes.
Yeah, if you go down here, you're right.
Yeah, you see. Yep.
Yep.
So it might get to that line.
It's the 50. Come on.
Okay.
What average is that? The 50?
It's the 50.
And that's 10 what? That's 107.
Yeah.
Let's see what the gifts thought that we go to.
Well, this is 100. So if a gap fill would be 100.
Yeah, that's right around his target.
What do these guys do, CoreWeave?
It's a nice, very nice rounded bottom. It definitely looks like a bottom to me. I mean, I think stocks have definitely bottomed for now.
Okay.
And the IWM made a new high.
Yeah, I shouldn't have shorted that one. I know you told me not to.
Of course I did.
Of course you did, but I was being pessimistic at the time. It was around here I decided to short it. Something.
Stupid shot. There's no point staying in it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, look, they got the interest rates they wanted, right? That's what we were thinking.
Take your loss. Get into something better.
Yeah. That's okay. You know, I don't have that much money in it.
All right. So
I'll let my $50 ride.
okay.
Or my now my $30. I'll let it ride.
I have a decent amount
You have a decent amount in the stock itself, yeah.
in IWM.
In the ITF. ETF. Yeah, I don't know.
Should I show I have my picks, the only ones I have. on
Oh, you
the,
have your picks? Do you have them handy?
on the website. So why don't you take a look at the website?
All right.
STOKPIKS.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember. STOKPIX.
PIKS.
PIKS. Oh. Boy. That's some spelling. Meanwhile, it didn't work because I didn't do .com. STOKPIKS.com. There you go. All right. So now you can't see that yet, so I have to go and
You
share
got
it.
to slide down to the, that's
Let me go
Excel,
and share it.
that spreadsheet.
All right. Share.
I didn't have a phenomenal year. I've made my two top picks were not good.
All
I
right.
mean, last year I'd more than doubled. Remember, my picks more than doubled, 5 of them.
How do I actually show? Let me see if this works.
This year, it's just ordinary.
This is Dr. J. So your stocks were MicroStrategies.
Why don't I see it?
I see black.
You see black. Oh, because
Black.
I shared it with you. You got to move me over. So when you say show the screen, show what Spike's showing.
What should I do?
Don't show my screen. Stop showing and then start showing me. There you go. There you go. All right. So I see this thing. These are your picks.
Yeah.
Is this the only way to get to your spreadsheet?
You can move it to left and up and down. What's my overall percent?
Oh, that's the thing. I can't get to that for whatever reason. Now, let me see. Let me disagree. You see how this red thing sort of stops right here?
Can't blow it up.
Let's see. No. Let's see if that helps. No, it doesn't help any
It helped.
because I can't see this. I can't get in here though. So, all right. So your stocks were. Let's see what they were. We can look at it. MicroStrategies. You went from 300 to 183. That's not so great. If that's the latest price. IonQ from 41 to 52, not bad. NVIDIA, that one did great. 136 to 180. AEM, which one was that?
Nico Gold.
Now, why did that go down? Oh, no, it didn't go up. It did. It went up. It went massively from 79 to 170.
Yeah, it was a good pick.
Yeah, and Google, which went from 191 to 317. That's pretty good.
But my gain is not that good because the top two count more.
Yeah, exactly, because you had 200 and 150.
So how much is my total gain?
I can't see it.
Oh, slide down and to the right.
I'm doing that. Slide down to the right. The window you put into this.
It's
Window.
terrible.
Yeah.
I'm not a good web designer. What can I say?
Don't tell anybody what it is you teach.
It's funny though. It's funny though. I thought I did a good job on the spreadsheet, even though it didn't come out good. I mean, the logic was good to do it. You can't get it?
Well, I'm trying here. This was 22. This is
Yeah,
an
you
old.
got it. Just move it to the left. Bottom line.
Yeah, I got it, but it doesn't move. And besides, this was from 2023 anyway.
It is? No.
This is best five stock picks of 2023.
Oh, I did really good.
But you have all of our guesses here somewhere. Somewhere in this site are all of our guesses.
Yeah, I know, but I messed up the site.
So we'll open it up next. We'll open it up in a week. So let me change my share here. And
Andrew thinks they're impressive picks.
I got it. So let me share again. So I'm going to share back to that. I think you have to pick me up on that share that I changed. So there you go. So now we're on that one. All right. So anything else what else did you promise for today? You promised SPY, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. What stock is?
Did we do SPY?
We didn't do SPY yet. No, let's do SPY. And which stock is MORE?
Good one. That's a good one, Spike.
Yeah, no, except it's an oldie. All right. Well, this is SPY. That's the one you like to look at, right?
Yeah, it made a new high. Barely.
Well, yeah, just.
Looks like 700 is around the corner.
Yeah, let's do 3 months to get a little better view of the trajectory.
Kamal has a good feel for this chart.
Yeah, what are you thinking, Kamal?
Yeah, this is going to 700 easily.
You think there's enough mo here? Because it does look like it's fighting this ceiling over here.
Yeah, but 700 is a sweet number, you know.
So think it's going to break through within the next couple of days?
I think so. Next week.
I mean, it's got the trend for it.
Yeah.
I mean, even going back here, it's got the trend for it.
I'm not giving my picks for the new year yet, but I will in the next show.
I have to think about that one this year. I think my biggest was
strategy. I know it's
yeah, sure, sir.
It's a sad story, but
well, no, not as sad as well, no, it's I was thinking not as bad as Wolf, Terror Wolf, but sad in a different way. This one's definitely sad.
It looks we're making a base here. I don't know, Dr. J, what do you think?
Yeah. I think
it was like free fall for like 2 months now.
I know.
It's out of favor now, but it'll get back into favor and it'll run like a bastard.
Now, is this still like directly tied to Bitcoin, or is there something else going with this?
Not directly.
Right. So this is just a bit. Is it a leveraged Bitcoin play?
Yep.
Okay.
My average is
it might be worth it.
It's supposed to be leveraged.
This thing has to double for me to break even.
Yeah.
And you will.
Yeah. No,
just a matter of time.
I mean, right. Once the numbers come back for Bitcoin, we know that's going to happen. It's just a question of when.
Well, if Bitcoin doubles, it'll more than double.
Right.
I think Bitcoin will double. 184, why not?
I bet. You want to do I bet?
Sure.
Went down, but not as drastic. ETH looks better than Bitcoin.
It does.
Yeah, similarly, this one is also like making a base.
It is. I agree.
We need a miracle cure for Parkinson's for 2026.
All right. Well, speaking of which, this is the only play that's still left, and it took a hit. Well, you know, this is Anavex.
I still own it.
Yeah, so do I. I'm just, you know, it would be nice to see a gap fill.
I doubt that it'll do anything. Waiting for approval by the EMA. I think it's hopeless.
So, you know, I mean, there's commercials now for both the Biogen product and for the Lilly product. I mean, they're very cautious in what they say on the commercial. But I think they're pushing more for the Alzheimer's aspect than they are for the Parkinson's aspect.
Yeah, they got both.
No, I did. I know they got both. It's a question of which one they're trying to sell.
Yeah.
It seems to me that it's easier to sell snake oil about Alzheimer's because you can't really tell one way or the other. Whereas with
It's amazing how the XBI doubled.
what?
XBI doubled, you know.
Oh yeah, XPI did double. That was weird. Sort of out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Because we've been looking at individual pictures, and then the whole industry, sort of whatever sweet spot mix these guys had, sneakily kept creeping up on us. Because I had this for the longest while.
All right. So final thoughts, right?
BMNR.
Oh yes, Beeman. You said that sort of did good recently. Is that because it's an Ethereum play?
I don't know. It kind of also deflated. It hit 40, then deflated. Like it was making a good comeback. You see it?
Yeah, it's still in the
Then-
range.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it's made its turn. It'll go up.
Yeah, I want it to be like above 50. I have a very high expectations.
You and me both.
My final thoughts. That's
Okay, so let me stop this here.
So I have one green, which is SBET, and the other one that's green is Nail. I have Nail.
Yeah, and I went with you on SBET for now, but I think I went in at a bad time. But
I own SBET, but I haven't bought any in a while.
No, I bought it like 10.5 or so.
That's good. A good price.
I'm still going to pound the table for Amazon.
And I'm going to still pound the table for Tesla. And let's see, anything else I really like? Yeah, I like. I guess I like the cryptos. Fair comeback. All right. That's
So
it
any
for-
time frame for crypto?
Yeah,
Right.
I think we see a move beginning. I think we saw the beginning of the move. We'll continue on up. I like crypto bullish through first 6 months of the year. Adios, amigos, and ciao.
Bye,
Have a
brother.
nice weekend.